Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and thought, wait a second. I feel so full of life, but somehow the person staring back at me looks a little different? You're not alone. Aging is something every woman experiences, but here's the exciting part: the way you show up, your glow, your confidence, your style is something you can totally shape. This video is all about that. I'm going to share 8 powerful beauty secrets that I've reordered in a fresh way. They're not about chasing youth or pretending you're still 25. They're about feeling vibrant, confident, and radiant right now, at 60, 70, and beyond. By the end, you'll walk away with practical tips you can use today and a whole new perspective on what it means to age beautifully. Let's jump right in. 1. Beauty starts in the kitchen. If there's one thing I've learned, it's this: glowing skin and lasting energy don't come from a jar, they come from what you put on your plate. Your body is constantly renewing itself, and the fuel you give it either speeds up that renewal or slows it down. Whole foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and collagen-building nutrients are your best friends. Fresh berries, leafy greens, salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, these are the true anti-aging products. But here's where I've added my personal spin. For me, it's not about complicated diets or strict rules. I follow a simple eat clean most of the time approach. Think real food, not packaged food. I also love practicing gentle intermittent fasting a few times a week. It's not about starving yourself, it's about giving your body a little time to rest and repair. I've found that it reduces inflammation, helps me feel lighter, and gives me that inner energy that naturally shows up as a healthy glow on the outside. And don't forget, food isn't just about nutrition, it's also about joy. Sitting down with a colorful plate of fresh ingredients, knowing you're nourishing your body, can shift the way you feel about yourself. When you eat in a way that makes you feel good, you don't just look radiant, you live radiant. 2. Hair care equals instant youth boost. Let's be honest, hair is one of the first things people notice. It frames your face, it moves with you, and it tells a story before you even say a word. As we age, hair can lose some of its shine, bounce, and thickness. That's why hair care is such a game changer when it comes to looking youthful. The first step is to say goodbye to harsh shampoos and conditioners. Anything with sulfates or strong alcohols will strip away the natural oils your hair desperately needs. Instead, go for hydrating, nourishing products with ingredients like argan oil, aloe, or keratin. They restore moisture and add softness without weighing your hair down. Here's what I do personally: once or twice a week, I treat myself to a little at-home hair spa. I massage coconut oil or argan oil into my scalp, let it sit, and then rinse it out. Not only does it make my hair shinier and smoother, but the act of massaging your scalp actually increases circulation, which is amazing for hair growth. Plus, it's deeply relaxing, it feels like self-care, not just hair care. And here's a fun tip: don't be afraid of a shorter, fresher cut. A chic bob or a layered shoulder-length style can instantly lift your whole look. It brightens your face, adds movement, and makes styling so much easier. When your hair looks healthy and modern, it takes years off your appearance without even trying. 3. Makeup, less but better. Makeup at this stage of life isn't about hiding, it's about enhancing. The truth is, heavy foundations and thick powders often do the opposite of what we want. They settle into lines, make skin look drier, and take away that natural softness we're going for. Instead, keep things light and fresh. I love a lightweight, hydrating foundation, or even just a tinted moisturizer. It evens out your skin tone without looking cakey. Add a warm-toned blush, peach, coral, or rose on the high points of your cheeks, and suddenly your face looks lifted, alive, and healthy. Here's my personal approach: I focus on 2 areas that make the biggest difference: eyes and lips. For the eyes, I brighten the under-eye area with a touch of concealer and skip the heavy eyeshadow. Neutral matte tones are perfect for a soft, youthful look. For the lips, I stick with creamy, moisturizing lipsticks in natural pink or peach shades. They add just enough color to bring life back to your face, and the hydrating formulas keep lips from looking dry. It doesn't take much. A few carefully chosen products can make you look like you just came back from vacation, refreshed, glowing, and effortless. Makeup isn't about changing who you are. It's about showing off the vibrant, confident woman you've always been. 4. Posture makes magic. Here's a beauty trick most people overlook: posture. The way you carry yourself can instantly add or subtract years from how you look. Think about it. Shoulders slumped forward, chin down, back rounded, you not only look older, you feel older. But when you stand tall, shoulders open, and chin lifted, you instantly give off a youthful, confident vibe. I love gentle exercise for this: yoga, Pilates, even brisk walking. They strengthen your core, improve balance, and naturally align your posture. But here's my favorite daily ritual: I practice a power pose in the morning. I stand tall, feet grounded, shoulders back, and take a few deep breaths. It takes less than 2 minutes, but it changes the way I carry myself for the entire day. The best part? Good posture isn't just about looks. It improves circulation, helps with digestion, and even boosts your mood. People often ask, "What's your secret?" expecting me to name some fancy cream or treatment. Honestly, sometimes the secret is as simple as how you stand. Confidence and vitality show through your body language long before you say a word. 5. Smart hydration. Let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful beauty secrets: hydration. And no, you don't need to obsess over the old 8 glasses a day rule. The real key is listening to your body. If your urine is pale yellow, you're good. If it's darker, time to sip more. I like to make hydration fun. Herbal teas, cucumber or lemon-infused water, fresh veggie juices, they all count. You don't have to force plain water if you don't love it. The goal is to keep your body and skin plump, soft, and glowing from the inside out. Here's one thing I do that makes a huge difference: I keep a humidifier running in my bedroom at night. It might sound small, but when you wake up in the morning with hydrated skin and smooth hair instead of dryness, you'll see why I swear by it. It's like giving your skin a spa treatment while you sleep. Hydration is more than just drinking water, it's about creating an environment where your body feels nourished, inside and out. It's simple, affordable, and completely in your control. 6. Skincare, keep it simple. I know the beauty industry loves to push 10-step routines, but let's be real, who has time for that? And honestly, your skin doesn't need it. At this stage, less really is more. Your focus should be on consistency, not complexity. Here's what works: a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your skin, a moisturizer that fits your skin type, and sunscreen every single day. That's it. Those 3 steps: cleanse, hydrate, protect, will take you further than any overflowing shelf of half-used products. Personally, I love the feeling of keeping things streamlined. It saves time, money, and mental energy. And the truth is, our skin appreciates it too. Overloading with too many active ingredients often causes irritation instead of results. By keeping it simple, you allow your skin to breathe, heal, and thrive. Taking care of your skin isn't about fighting age, it's about nurturing it. When you treat your skin with kindness and consistency, it rewards you with radiance that no magic cream can replicate. 7. Fashion that flatters. Fashion is more than clothes, it's your way of telling the world who you are. And here's the thing: baggy, shapeless clothing ages you faster than any wrinkle ever could. That doesn't mean squeezing into something uncomfortable. It means finding outfits that skim your shape and highlight your best features. I love rich jewel tones like emerald green, navy, and burgundy. They add vibrancy and warmth to your skin tone. Neutrals like camel or soft gray can be much more flattering than harsh black or stark white. And when it comes to fabrics, go for materials that move with you, nothing too stiff or heavy. My personal approach is building a capsule wardrobe. Just a handful of timeless, versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create dozens of looks. A well-tailored blazer, a flattering pair of trousers, a few stylish shoes, that's all you need to look put together every single day. It's modern, effortless, and so much less stressful than staring at a packed closet with nothing to wear. Fashion isn't about age. It's about confidence, expression, and wearing clothes that make you feel like the best version of yourself. 8. Mindset is the ultimate beauty hack. Now, let's finish with what I believe is the most powerful secret of all: your mindset. No cream, no hairstyle, No outfit can compete with the beauty of a woman who truly loves herself. Every night before bed, I write down 3 things I'm grateful for. It's a simple ritual, but it changes everything. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you think you've lost to what you still have. It creates joy, peace, and that inner light people can't help but notice. Mindset is also about how you see yourself. Instead of looking in the mirror and focusing on wrinkles, I choose to see stories. Each line is proof of laughter, love, resilience. When you reframe aging as wisdom and strength, you radiate something no makeup can replicate. Here's the truth: energy is contagious. When you walk into a room full of confidence and positivity, people feel it. And that's what makes you truly unforgettable. So there you have it, 8 secrets to looking and feeling radiant after 60. From the food you eat to the way you stand, from the clothes you wear to the way you think about yourself, every choice adds up. Yes, we age. But age is just a number. Your glow, your confidence, your joy, that's timeless. And remember this: a woman who loves herself is truly unstoppable.